In step 6 we will write total in cell A10, and after that we will select B10 to D10, and then in the home tab we can find auto sum in editing group. Click auto sum here and you will see the sum of column B, C and D will pop up in the bottom. In step 7 we will select the cell A7 and then we go in the home tab again, and you can find insert in the cell groups. We will insert sheet row from here and you will see a new row at number 7. We will write public works 95 and 87 here. In step 8 we will copy the formula from D6 and E6 to the next row which was newly made by us, so the formula can be copied down to new row. You can check the formula from the formula bar, it is working. In step 9 write in cell A13 all participant as percent of total in cell A13. Press enter or click anywhere else. In step 10 select the range from A5 to A10, then you can find the copy button in the home tab here in the clipboard menu, copy, and then you can paste it in A14 from the same menu clipboard paste button. By clicking the paste button here like this, you can get the copy of A5 to A10 in the A14 to A19. Now press escape and you can compare the screen with the figure 2.